Hi there, students. To enable. To enable means to make something possible. To make it possible for somebody to do something. So, for example, the education enables people. It gives them the possibility of doing something. By computerizing systems, it enables greater efficiency within a factory. So to enable, to give somebody the means to do something, to make it possible for them to do something. So, if you have a car, it enables you to take jobs that are not linked by public transport. In computing, if you enable something, you activate it. So you could enable the modem of your computer. You could enable the Bluetooth. Yeah, you could enable a link. You activate it. You make it so that it now works. Okay, it's the opposite of to stop it working. To disable, yeah, would be the opposite. Okay, so if somebody or something enables you to do something, it gives you the opportunity to do it. So this test will enable doctors to detect the disease. Vocational training enables young people to make the most of their potential. So to allow, to permit, to facilitate. Yeah. Let's see, technology, or the idea of technology, is to enable us, to make it possible for us to do more things. Warm weather will enable the solar plant to generate more energy. Yeah. Okay, so to enable somebody, it gives them the means to do something, or to give them the permission to do something. This document enables you to enter in places that you can't. So a passport enables travel. Yeah, it makes it possible. Yeah. Okay, you could have an adjective, enabling. Yeah. So this is an enabling piece of legislation. It makes things easier for people to do. Okay, so to give somebody the means to do something, the knowledge to do something, the opportunity to do something. Yeah. So a technique that enables you to do something new. Money, extra money will enable me to do new things, to do things that I couldn't do before. Okay, so to enable, to make something possible, to facilitate. This permit, or this this card will enable you to enter. It will allow you. It will empower you. It will permit you. So to enable is the opposite of to stop, to prevent, to obstruct, to impede. Yeah. Okay, so and this is the idea. This comes from enable. So to enable somebody to do something, yeah, the system will enable better communication between the buyer and the seller. Yeah, the money that I won in the competition enabled me to buy a new car, to make it possible. So let's see, what about formality? I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think you could probably use it just about anywhere. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from Middle English enable. Yeah, which actually then it just comes from the word able from Latin habilis, or habere, to hold. Yeah, so yeah, it can do something effectively. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I hope the video has enabled you to use the verb enable. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Enable.